Hey friends, Danny here. Welcome back. March is upon us, and this month we're here to help you tip the scale. In your favor, of course. First stop is an exciting revisit to the Splash Library. Then, we're going to take a look at our brand new campaign called Double Down, which helps us explore this ever-evolving virtual landscape that we're all in. Then, we've packed even more features into the virtual event page for you. And finally, something that always gets me jazzed, a brand new Splash theme. This one with some exciting new features under the hood. You know the drill by now. Let's jump in and hear from the team.
Hey everybody, Piper here with Splash's product marketing team. I wanted to shine a light on a tool you may not be using yet called Library. Think of it as a control center for every single asset your team uses in Splash today. In other words, think of it as your key to scaling your event programs. With Brand Library, you can control the look and feel of every event marketing touchpoint by automatically applying your fonts, your colors, and your logo to them. Then those ready-to-use templates become available in your theme library. Finally, my personal favorite, Form Library. Once you set up that perfect registration experience for your guests, you don't want to have to do it again. Account for multiple question paths, your terms and conditions, make sure every field is mapped for compliance, and then just duplicate. That form can be saved to a library and applied to any event that needs it. Best of all, thanks to Team Manager, your admins, creative specialists, and group managers can edit these libraries, and everyone else can just access and apply the assets where they want them. How's that for tipping the scale in your direction?
Hi everyone, it's Dana from the product team here to provide a quick overview of our virtual event page. As a reminder, the virtual event page allows you to embed and gate your virtual events into a beautiful on-brand Splash page. Recently, we've added some new really exciting functionality. To recap last month's update, Zoom events embedded into the virtual event page now support breakout rooms, gallery view, and live polling. These are some game changers for attendee engagement. In addition, the days of searching through endless emails for event information are a thing of the past. We've made it even easier for your guests to get into the event by making their unique URLs accessible either on the event page or through email confirmations. But don't worry, the fun doesn't stop there. Wishing you could start using the virtual event page for your next event? That's great, because it's now generally available for everyone. Don't forget to visit the virtual event page online course so you can become a true power user. And as always, please continue to share your feedback with us so we can continue to provide you with an even better product experience.
Hey everybody, Zach here from Splash's product marketing team. I'm here to give you the 411 on Double Down on Virtual, our 3-event series featuring an all-star lineup of innovators from the world of virtual events. From the Splash side, we're spotlighting our virtual event page's dual embed functionality, hence Double Down. This allows you to feature an audience engagement tool like Slido or Social Feed alongside your live stream to create a beautiful, highly interactive viewing experience. Pretty sweet, right? Our first event was last week. Create events people actually want to attend. I hosted this one, and it's now available on demand. On March 4th, we have an event coming up called Hit the Virtual Programming Jackpot. Then on March 11th, check us out with game-winning virtual engagement strategy, which will feature a guest appearance by Slack's global head of events, Amy Barone. You'll be there, right? Register now to join us live or to get the on-demand recording.
Hello there, my name's Alex Radnick, and I'm from Splash Creative, where I'm the principal designer. This month I am here to introduce you to our newest branded theme, which we are calling Access. This is actually set up for recruitment events, and so you'll notice all of the modules that you might want for a recruitment event, but what we're really trying to highlight with this theme is accessibility. And so you'll notice that takes a few different forms here. First of all, that is in color contrast between background and foreground text, as well as between buttons and button hover states. It is expressed in alt text, which has been set by default on every single image on the theme, as well as on the event templates. You're just going to want to make sure that you go through and personalize all of those. And lastly, of course, we want to highlight the new Splash feature with hierarchy levels on headline text. And so that has been set on this theme where the highest level is on event titles, and then the next highest level is set for each block title. That will aid in accessibility so that anyone who is using a screen reader will be able to quickly scan through the page and understand what sort of content you're offering.
Open forum, September 16th, September 17th, 2021, starting at 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Change your future.
And in general, all of these add up to a much more accessible experience. Use it for anything, and I just hope you have fun designing with it. Thank you.
And that wraps up another month. If you missed any of our release videos in the past and you're feeling a little bit of that FOMO right now, I got you. Head over to this URL, check out what you missed, and then we'll see you right back here next month.